Hey, what's up guys? MJ coming at you. Today we're gonna go through a quick setting of this magical phone. I called it the magical phone. I'm still keeping it calling it the magical phone because it does look magical. And I don't see many YouTubers give props for the or at least showcase this beautiful back. Look at this guys. You think it has two colors, the green and the blue, but actually there is red. Do you notice that? Let me just show you. There is kind of red over here. Do you see this? Do you see this little bit thing going on here? You see that red over here? So there is a red accent over here, but it's very minimal. And it's actually shown under sunlight. If you go under sunlight, or if you under like what I have here, lights on the top, it's gonna reflect these hidden colors inside this beautiful design. So I like it. But hey, we're not here for just the design. We're here to check out the phone itself, the quick setting. Let's say, oh yeah, forget for you guys. So once you pick up the phone, automatically you're gonna see the fingerprint without touching anything. So I just did this, bam. So this is great. I'm not sure if this is internal sensor inside to do such thing. So I have this other wallpaper. So once you click, it's totally black because this AMOLED saves battery. Only the side of the fingerprint is opening now. So that's a good thing. Now, boom, there you go. Straight off about the phone. Let's take a look at the phone itself. Before we go to the other things, let's take a look at the security patch, month of 5/2019. So it's 2 months. We passed 2 months, so I'm expecting a patch soon for this phone. Hopefully fixing a lot of things. I'm not sure. There are a lot of things going on this phone. I didn't notice any problem, any glitches, but there might be more improvements coming up for the phone, which is really awesome. So as you can see, this is information. It's octa-core. Let me just go back. System update. It's just a quick update. I mean the phone. Sorry for the flare here. There you go. Check for updates. So it's MIUI 10.3.6.0. So this is the latest greatest update. Let's go back to the system. Now I turned the black mode or dark mode for the phone because it's an OLED or AMOLED screen. So it's really good for battery life. You're saving it. Let me just quickly check things out. It's kind of tricky about this lights, man. Just try it. Yeah, I think this is good enough, right? All right. So first off, this is the MIUI, software. So this is what you see in the setting. It's different than Google's setting, like the Google One and the Nokia. It's different than other Samsungs. Just it has its unique software. So let's take a look at the SIM card mobile networks, and this is where you can enable or disable the 4G. As you can see, there's no SIM card installed yet. And if you go down here, we have the Wi-Fi connected, Bluetooth. We have the portable hotspot, data usage. Once you get more, you have NFC, and you have Bluetooth as well. You have the Wi-Fi Bluetooth emergency, so nothing new here. Airplane mode. And once you go to the, let me just show you display. Here we can see the dark mode. So I just enabled the dark mode. Now close your eyes because it's gonna get light. Alright, so go back to the dark mode, so it'll be easier for your eye to read and without any issues at all. So ambient display, this gonna show you the clock speed or clock behind the AMOLED screen. Let me just try show you. So let's read this feature. The feature increases system power consumption. It will be turned off when your device stays in the dark for a long time or battery saver restriction are applied. So once you click on it, let's take a look at the demo. Maybe we have to put it here for a few seconds. and see if it actually works. Nope. Anyways, how it actually works. So dark for long time, stays in the dark. It'll be turned off when your device stays in the dark for a long time. Battery saver protection applied. Oh, it was like timing and stuff. Okay, so let's try to not schedule any time. There you go. It's gonna show you the battery life over here and show the time. Yeah, that's cool. So let's turn it back. Oops, sorry guys. Sorry. I'm very sorry for this. It's just a messed up. Sorry. Yeah. Come on. All right. Where were we? Yep. Back. All right. So now, ambient display, turn off. Okay. So back to the wallpaper. So when you click on the wallpaper, they have some stuff over here, some pictures of me. I'll just taking some picture and I'll show you pictures later. So you can just have like different wallpapers in the phone. They look nice. Themes. There are only two themes in Xiaomi phones. They have the classic and you have the defaults. What else we have? Sound and vibrations. There is no Dolby Atmos, so it's all standards over here. Ringtones, message received, so you can customize what sound do you want to apply for different aspects. Dial pads, tap sounds, etc. We go to the lock screen password. So I already set it up for a fingerprint. Home screen, recents. Now here, default launchers, we go to system launcher. So you can download other launchers in the Play Store, but I prefer the stock one. It says here lock screen layout. Let me just turn this off for now. So show memory status. Oh, there you go. So suggestions. So when you turn it off, it's gonna show you like the memory status, how many how many gigabytes are you using, for example, etc. Lock home screen. Oh, different. Forget about this, guys. Forget about it. It's nothing important. Full screen display. All right. So here, guys, it's very important. So here, you can assign the buttons, back, minimize, home screen, or you can just use the gestures, which I don't need to learn. I already know. So the different gesture, that this means go back and this means recent apps, and to delete certain app you just scroll to the left or scroll to the right. So this is like a very handy way, using it one-handed instead of just reaching all the way down, and I've got like small fingers just like me. It's just too hard to just reach and go back for it. So it'd be easy for me to just go back by using the scroll. And if you're left-handed, you can just use the scroll of left-handed. The device will automatically detect that you are right-handed or left-handed. This is a really great thing, actually. Let's go back to setting. And where were we? Yeah, we were at the full screen display. Second space. Now, second space, if you guys have Huawei phones, there's something to get like a second private space where you have another account. Like I have a different phone. Like you can switch two different applications, two different phones, two different numbers. It's crazy. It's like you need to hide from something, or you just, if you wanna have like you different personalization, I will call it phone for you. I wanna dive deep. You know what I'm saying. Let's go back here. Battery and performance. So let's take a look at the battery. Now I've been playing PUBG for a long time. I'm gonna show you where's the battery. So this is just to optimize the battery. I mean, guys, one question. So when I clicked at battery optimization, I set it up on dark mode. It should go dark. It shouldn't light up white just you know what happened before, like few seconds. That's gonna hurt your eyes, and I think Xiaomi should just fix this. Make it all black. If I'm setting all black. So battery usage. You have applications. It tells you what application you're using, and you have hardware. We want the hardware actually. So we have cell standby. Oh, sorry, we don't use cell. We have phone standby, phone idle. It'll be in 10 hours, 29 minutes. And for the screen, it's been 3 hours and 43 minutes, guys. And we have, how much battery do we have? How much battery? Tell me, guys, how much battery? Do you see that? 61%. You do the math. Almost 4 hours, 60, yeah, almost 4 hours, like 15 minutes to get 4 hours. It's gonna hit above 12 hours, 15 hours screen on time, which is bonkers. All right. So that's about the battery setting. Go to storage. This is where you can check your storage, clean up things. So you have, this is how it's actually, I love it. It's very, very clear for you. It shows you what are you using and what's left. And it shows you that like the greens are the applications, the blues are pictures and videos, as you can see here in the, if you detect the colors over here. Audio, catch data, other files. So it's very, very easy, simple, friendly, friendly, user friendly. I like how Xiaomi, use the color scheme and actually match it to make it, or just it makes sense. Sometimes when you look at the colors and read the text, it does match. So emergency, just in case your phone lost or something, all you have to do is just press the power 5 times to send, or you're actually lost or something, But does this actually connect to the GPS directly? Doesn't need any signals. Google accounts, additional setting, date and time, language, region, privacy, enterprise. So nothing much here, just the documentations and different things that doesn't add up to the system. Let's look at it, system app setting. So this is actually going to show you the application that comes with the Xiaomi. So again with the whites. Okay, I'm gonna skip this, guy. We're gonna skip. I don't want to hurt anyone's eyes because this is not gonna work. Now dual apps, guys. What do you mean by dual apps? Let's see. Do they have Snapchat? Snap. No, they don't. I don't know. Anyways, we have support for AliExpress, and we have the camera. By the way, this is Google camera, guys. I installed the Gcam in this phone, and it looks awesome. I mean the selfie camera. PUBG, but I don't see any WhatsApp, anything. Maybe I need to install them first. Yeah, sorry for that. I need to install them. So it does support dual app, which is a good news. Permissions. Okay, so permissions. Let me see. Maybe if you. Oh, okay. Sorry, guys. Sorry. You know what? Xiaomi, please fix this thing. You cannot get us blind. App lock. So you wanna lock your applications. You have certain application you don't want anyone else to access. You want them to access your phone, but you want them to access the application. So you set up a password for certain apps. For example, pictures, Chrome, maps, whatever. You set it up, which is very smart, unique thing. Feedback. Now feedback is just the things that if you have feedback, you can send it to Xiaomi that, hey man, your phone is tripping, you gotta fix it. You cannot use this phone, please. I need you to fix such whatever issue I have. That's it guys. It's too long, sorry for that. Sorry for the screen flashes. It's the software, and this is what I love about this phone, this crazy back, and I'll keep saying it again and again. This back is trippy, I like it. Now before I go, I want to show you, this is the you see this circle over here, this tiny circle? Let me just show you here. Yeah, you see that tiny circle on top of the camera? Okay, this is the notification light, and you cannot see it this way. It has to be faced to you, or maybe you can just put it on the table and it could reflect on the table that there's a notification light over there. It's for now it's just a blue color. I didn't try to use other application, maybe there's different colors, but that's about it guys. If you have any questions, let me know in the comment section. If you have any suggestion, let me know. Like, subscribe, share. See you guys later.